Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering stations that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Struggling with messy solder joints or inconsistent heat while working on electronics? Cheap soldering irons often overheat, cool too slowly, or lack precision, making even simple repairs frustrating. If you want clean, reliable soldering every time, you need better control and consistency. Introducing the Weller 5-30W Precision Grip Soldering Iron Station, WLSK3012A, a compact and reliable solution for precise soldering tasks. This soldering station offers adjustable power from 5 to 30 watts, giving you flexibility for delicate electronics or slightly heavier jobs. It features a precision grip handle, designed for comfort and better control during long sessions. The analog control dial lets you easily adjust heat levels without complicated settings. You also get a stable base station with safety holder, keeping your workspace organized and secure. Its fast heat-up time helps you start working quickly, while maintaining consistent temperature output. Plus, it's built with Weller's trusted durability, making it a long-lasting tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Pros: adjustable wattage for versatility. Comfortable precision grip. Reliable heat consistency. Durable build quality. Cons: analog dial lacks exact temperature readings. Limited power for heavy-duty industrial work. 120V only, may need a converter in some regions. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, electronics repair beginners, and hobbyists working on circuit boards, small components, or home projects. Not ideal for heavy industrial soldering tasks. At around $71, it offers solid value with trusted performance, especially if you want a dependable mid-range soldering station without overspending. Number 2. Meet the Yihua 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering iron station, an all-in-one repair solution combining hot air, soldering, and a DC power supply in one compact unit. This versatile station features a hot air rework gun and soldering iron, perfect for SMD work, PCB repairs, and component removal. It includes a built-in DC power supply, 0A15V, 0A2A, allowing you to test and power small electronics directly. You also get a 5V USB charging port, making it convenient for powering mobile devices or accessories. The 35V DC voltage display meter provides real-time voltage monitoring for precision work. With adjustable temperature controls, you can fine-tune both the hot air and soldering iron for different tasks. Its compact, all-in-one design helps save workspace while increasing efficiency. Plus, it comes with multiple nozzles and accessories to handle a wide range of repair jobs. Pros: multifunction design, hot air plus soldering plus power supply. Great for SMD and PCB repair work. Built-in voltage display for accuracy. Space-saving all-in-one station. Cons: slight learning curve for beginners. Can feel bulky and heavy. Fan noise from hot air gun. 110V only, may require a converter in some regions. Ideal for electronics repair technicians, advanced hobbyists, and DIY enthusiasts working with circuit boards, chips, and mobile repairs. Not the best choice for complete beginners or heavy industrial use. At around $129.99, it offers excellent value considering you're getting 3 tools in one, saving both money and workspace. Number 3. Introducing the Smith 239-193 Silversmith Handy Torch Outfit, a professional-grade acetylene torch kit designed for precision soldering, brazing, and jewelry work. This torch kit uses an acetylene system, meaning it delivers strong heat without needing an oxygen tank, making it simpler and more portable. It produces a focused, high-temperature flame, up to 1700 degree F plus working range, ideal for precise and delicate tasks. The nickel-plated brass torch handle ensures durability and long-term use, while offering a comfortable grip. You also get a needle valve control, allowing smooth and accurate flame adjustment for detailed work. The kit includes everything you need. Torch handle. Superfine tip. Acetylene regulator. 12.5-foot hose. Flint striker. Its slip and tip design makes it easy to swap tips quickly without tools. Overall, it delivers fast heat with excellent control, perfect for small-scale metalwork. Pros: no oxygen tank required, simpler setup. Precise flame control for detailed work. Durable all-metal construction. Complete kit ready to use. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty welding or large metalwork. Requires acetylene gas setup. Higher learning curve for beginners. Perfect for jewelers, silversmiths, metal artists, and advanced hobbyists who need precision heat control. Not ideal for large-scale welding or industrial applications. Priced around $289 to $300, this is a premium tool, but you're paying for professional precision, durability, and reliable performance. If you work with fine metal or jewelry, it's absolutely worth the investment. Number 4. Introducing the X-Tronic 3060 Pro 75W Soldering Iron Station Kit, a powerful all-in-one soldering solution packed with tools for both beginners and advanced users. This station delivers 75 watts of power, allowing fast heat up and stable temperature for precise soldering. It features a bright LED display with both degree C and degree F modes, so you can easily monitor and adjust temperature. You also get 3 programmable temperature presets, making it quick to switch between different tasks. The built-in sleep function helps extend tip life and improves safety when the iron is idle. What really stands out is the complete accessory kit, including 5 extra soldering tips for different applications. Mini magnifying lamp for detailed work. 4 helping hands for stability. Solder sucker and tweezers for precision repairs. 50G solder roll to get started right away. Brass sponge with cleaning flux plus wet sponge for tip maintenance. It also includes an anti-static grounding wire, making it safer for sensitive electronics like PCBs. Pros: powerful 75W for fast, consistent performance. LED display with precise temperature control. Tons of included accessories, great value. Sleep mode improves safety and durability. Cons: build quality is good but not premium grade. Accessories may feel basic for professionals. Slightly bulky setup for small workspaces. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, students, electronics repair beginners, and hobbyists who want a complete starter kit. Also a solid choice for intermediate users needing versatility. At around $79.75, this kit offers excellent value. You're getting a powerful station plus a full set of tools, saving you money compared to buying everything separately. Number 5. Introducing the Yihua 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station, a budget-friendly yet powerful station designed for precise electronics work. This station delivers up to 120W power, 75W equivalent output, giving you fast heat up and stable temperature performance. It features a clear LED display with both degree C and degree F modes, making temperature control simple and accurate. The adjustable temperature control allows you to fine-tune heat for different soldering tasks, from delicate PCB work to general repairs. It's also ESD safe, which protects sensitive electronic components from static damage. The durable aluminum panel resists burns and adds a premium feel compared to plastic builds. You also get multiple soldering tips, lead-free solder, and essential extras, so you can start working right out of the box. Compact and lightweight, it's designed to save space while maintaining efficiency. Pros: fast heating with stable temperature control. ESD safe, great for electronics. Durable aluminum front panel. Excellent value for the price. Cons: not as feature-rich as higher-end stations. Temperature accuracy slightly less precise than premium models. Basic accessories included. Perfect for beginners, students, DIY hobbyists, and electronics repair users who want a reliable and affordable soldering station. Also a good backup tool for professionals. At around $52.99, this is a great budget option offering solid performance, safety features, and durability without spending too much. Want to upgrade your soldering setup? Check the link in the description to get the best deal on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more honest tech reviews.